Nolta. Again, nolta. This is a verb which means to play. Again, nolta means to play. Next word is 엄마. Again, it's 엄마. And this is the Korean term for mom. Again, 엄마 means mom. Next is 아빠. Again, 아빠. And this is used to say dad in Korean. Again, 아빠 is dad. Next word is 가족. Again, it's 가족. And this is a Korean term which means family. Again, 가족 is family. Next word is 혹시. Again, it's 혹시. And this is used to say perhaps or by any chance when you are trying to do an inquiry. Again, 혹시. Next word is 이렇게. Again, it's 이렇게. And this is used to say like this or this way. Again, 이렇게 is used to say like this. Next word is 배고파. Again, it's 배고파. And this is used to say I'm hungry. Again, 배고파 means I'm hungry. Next word is 예쁘다. Again, it's 예쁘다. And this is used to say pretty. Again, 예쁘다 is used to say it's pretty. Next word is 뭐라고. Again, it's 뭐라고. And this is used to say, what did you say? And this is an informal way of saying so. And this is used when you did not hear what someone said. Next word is maknae. Again, it's maknae. And it simply means youngest sibling or youngest in a family or group. So that's maknae.